Alright, so we're going to have and this is coming from the book Mark Allen West. So if you have that book, it's basically question 1.8, right? We're going to do question 1.8, right? And then we're going to say we have our summation up to infinity starting at I being equal to 0 of 1 over 4 to the power I. We've been taught to evaluate this. This is a simple one. This is 1, right? So what we're going to know is that this one it's going to be 1 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 squared plus 1 over 4 to the power 3. Here, this one is already in a simple form. We already know that r in this case is 1 over 4. So now is equal to 1 over 4, meaning that our summation there is going to be 1 over 1 minus 1 over 4, which is going to be 1 over 3 over 4, which is then going to be 4 over 3. Simple, right? A very simple one. But then we go to something that isn't quite simple, right? Although if you've seen the other example I gave you for your summation, this one should be relatively simple, and I will give you a moment to try it for yourself. You can actually pause right the moment I'm done with this and just try it for yourself. You will get to a certain point where, well, you can actually solve it. There's no problem. It's the next one actually. But yeah. And then this is I over 4 to the power I, right? Okay. So how do we do this one? Right, again we solved a similar question, knowing the fact that there was a 2 there instead of a 4. But again, we'll go for it. We're going to say this is then going to equal, our s is going to equal 0 plus 1 over 4 plus 2 over 4 squared plus 3 over 4 to the power 3 plus 4 over 4 to the power 4. We're going to have that over there multiplied by the denominator, right? We're going to have 4s being equal to, this is going to be 0, of course, there 0, you can just leave it out. This is going to be 1 plus 2 over 4 plus 3 over 4 squared plus 4 over 4 to the power 3 plus 5 over 5 to the power 4, right? What's the next thing that we do? We pair them up. So this one pairs with that one, this one pairs with that one, pairs with that one, pairs with that one, and then we say okay, 4s minus s being equal to then we're just going to subtract them. You can just do that arithmetic there, but then what this is going to give you is 1 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 squared plus 1 over 4 to the power 3 plus 1 over 4 to the power 4 plus all the way to infinity, right? This is 3s, by the way. So let me just say 3s because we just subtracted them, so this is going to be 3s, right? We're going to have that 3s over there, but then we already have an answer to this one. The answer to this one is basically what we have in the previous question, which is this over here, right? We already have an answer to this one. So since we already know that the answer is 4 over 3, we can basically say 3s is equal to 4 over 3. 4 over 3 divide by 3, this is going to be equal to 4 over 3 times 3, which is equal to 4 over 9, and that's how we solve that one. Relatively straightforward. And we go to the final question. If you've seen in the book, oh, it's not the final question. I have more questions to solve. Okay, not a problem. We go to another question. Again, these are just increasing in terms of difficulty, but again, it is important to know them anyway. We're going to have the summation up to infinity. You notice that most of our summations are to infinity. 0 is equal to, in the form I squared over 4 to the power I. How do we solve this? Well, s is going to be 0 plus 1 over 4 plus 2 squared over 4 squared plus 3 squared over 4 to the power 3 plus 4 squared over 4 to the power 4 plus dot 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 dot. Okay, we're going to have that there. Then now multiplied by the denominator again, we're going to have 4s being equal to 1 plus 2 over 4, so 2 squared over 4 plus 3 squared over 4 to the power 3 plus 4 squared, 4 to the power 2, sorry, plus 4 squared over 4 to the power 4, or 4 to the power 3 plus let me say 5 squared over 4 to the power 4, like that there, right? We're going to have this one. Again, we're going to then do our subtraction, right? So pair them up. So 3s, this is going to be 1 minus 0, which is 1. This is going to be 2 squared, right? 2, which is 4, minus 1, which is going to be 3 over 4, plus this over here is 9 minus 4, which is 5 over 4 squared. This is 16 minus 9, which is going to be 7 over 4 to the power 3. And then yeah, we can continue, plus 9 over 4 to the power 4. Again, patterns. But then this one again, we haven't encountered something in this form, right? Yeah, I dropped my pen. My bad. Okay. So we haven't yet encountered something in this form. So how do we go about it? Right? How do we go about it? Just give me a moment. You can continue this in the next video. I just need to pause for a reason.